It's here. It's the November 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. If you'd like to know what's inside, stay tuned. Okay, so I'll start with the first product. It is by Tarte. It is the Good Vibes Mascara. It's a curling curler and a lash enhancing mascara in one. So it has the curler and the mascara, 2 in 1. It's made in Italy. So this I think retails for like $22, $25 on the website, which is really neat. This is the Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow palette. This is really pretty for fall and winter. Show these colors to you. Oh, look how pretty. Those are beautifully and very high pigmented. Really pretty high pigment colors. Love that. Okay. Next up is Farah. These are 3 liquid lipsticks, and then there's a brush set with this as well. These look like a pretty fall and winter red and spicy toned lip colors. Ah, here they are. We've got it in Cocoa, Farah, and Tiffany. And these are long wearing matte lipsticks. And with the eyeshadow brushes from Farah as well. Can't wait to try these. This is by Kate Somerville. It's called Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. When Kate was a little girl, her mom would put goat's milk in her bath to help calm her eczema. So if you have any eczema or sensitive skin issues, this is a great product to try. Oh, and I think this is $65 retail right now. One more product to go through. This is a Perfect 10 makeup brush by Makeup of the Day, MOTD. Look at that brush. And it's vegan. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Can't wait to try that. And this is the Ipsy bag for the box. I absolutely love this little drawstring bag. You can put all your brushes, makeup, and head out of town. And right in the car, off you go. So here's the other Glam Bag Plus. What a cute makeup bag this is. Pretty durable too. All right, here we are, Tarte. This is the Deep Cleanse. It's a clarifying cleanser. It's made in Japan. Love Tarte. This is, a lip gloss by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. It's in the color Moon Jelly, which is a diamond white with like blue reflex. So that's a really pretty lip gloss. All right, we've got Tarte. It's the Sugar Rush Tarte Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil. This is in Fresh Pressed. This is full size. Wow, very pretty. I can't wait to try a lip oil. That'll be fun. And it's vegan, 100% vegan. And this is Eyeshadow Rock Out Lash Out Mascara. And what's really cool about this mascara is that it has a guitar-shaped wand. Isn't that neat? And it's in a little squeezy tube, so you'll be able to get every last drop, which is really nice. It won't dry out on you. And last but not least, this is by Glow Recipe. It's the Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. It has magnesium, Centella Acidica, which is the holy grail of helping to heal dry skin and hydrate your skin, as well as turmeric. And turmeric helps with inflammation and really helps to calm the skin, especially this time of year that we're transitioning from winter to spring. So our skin needs all the TLC we can get. So check out this month's Ipsy bag plus, it's Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. It is chock full of goodies. I am just so excited to try all of it, and I can't wait for you to try yours.